Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to grow snake faster in snake.io. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch snake.io game on a device and start the game. As soon as the match begins, start collecting the glowing orbs scattered around the arena. These are your main source of growth. Focus on the larger orbs as they give more size compared to the smaller ones. Try to stay close to areas where many snakes are playing because when they crash, they drop a lot of glowing foods you can quickly collect. Use your boost button wisely to reach drop orbs faster. But remember, it also reduces your length slightly if used too long. You can also trap smaller snakes by circling them. Once they crash into your body, collect their remains to grow faster. They near the center of the map. It's where most snakes gather, meaning more opportunities to collect large amount of food, and that's how you can grow your snake faster in snake.io.